I think it's pretty obvious to most of us now that AI is no longer something that's coming. It's already here. And it's not just for the tech bros and Silicon Valley startups anymore. It's in your phone. It's in your email. It's even helping write the headlines you read every day. But here's the real question. Are you using it to your advantage? Because if you're not, you're falling behind. In this video, I'll show you exactly why embracing AI right now could be the smartest move you make for your business, your content, and your future. It's not about hype, it's about leverage. And if you're over 40 and feeling like you're already behind, don't worry, I've got you. Let's clear something up. AI is not here to replace you, at least not yet. It's here to amplify you, but only if you let it. Right now, people fall into sort of two camps: those who fear AI and those who use AI. And guess which group is winning? If you're thinking, I'm too late, or this is too technical, or this will make me less authentic, you're thinking like someone who's about to get left behind, because the real opportunity isn't in resisting the change, it's in adapting early. AI won't replace your creativity or your empathy or your unique voice. It just takes care of the grunt work so you can focus on what actually matters. Whether you're creating content for YouTube or running a business or building a brand, AI is really the ultimate productivity partner. And ignoring it, well, that's not being pure. It's more like being outpaced. Most people who are using AI tools already are using it kind of like a vending machine. They'll type something like, give me a blog post, give me a caption, give me a headline. But the real power is using AI as your thinking partner. So ask it questions, brainstorm with it, refine your thinking. You don't have to use what it gives you, you just have to use it to get unstuck. So for example, let's say you want to make a YouTube video. You could ask AI, ChatGPT or Gemini, whatever your preferred tool is, ask it, what are 10 fresh angles I could take on this topic for people over 40? Or if you're writing sales copy, here's who my product helps. What emotions should I focus on? It's not about copying, it's about collaborating. And when you use AI to clarify or expand your ideas, your content just gets better and better. Your thinking gets sharper and you move faster, and that's how you build momentum. If you're doing everything manually still, well, you're wasting a lot of time. AI is phenomenal at handling all of the repetitive stuff, so you can stay in your zone of genius. So start with small wins. Use AI to write email subject lines, or summarize meeting notes, or transcribe your videos, clean up your writing, draft outlines, captions, hashtags. You don't have to automate everything, but you should automate something because time really is your most valuable asset, and AI gives you more of it. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by content, communication, or admin, don't just work harder, get help. And in 2025, AI is the most affordable assistant you'll ever have. The more you delegate to it, the more time you free up to actually grow your business. And that's the goal, right? You don't need to master every AI tool out there. You just need to commit to one. Pick a tool that matches your goals and go deep. If you're a content creator, ChatGPT is really your creative Swiss Army knife, and Google's Gemini works pretty well too. If you're a designer, there's tools like Canva's AI or Adobe Firefly that can speed up your workflow. Or if you're a video creator, which if you're watching this channel, I'm guessing you are, you can start exploring AI video editors and script assistants. There's even some pretty good text-to-video creators out there now, and I've got a link to one called Dream Machine in my Pillar store, which you can find a link to in the description below. Whatever you choose, stop dabbling. Too many people are tool hopping and downloading every shiny new thing, but never really learning how to use any of them well. And that's like buying a gym membership and switching to a new one every week. Just pick one and stick with it for a while and watch your skill and your confidence grow fast. Because the better you get at using AI, the less overwhelmed you'll feel and the more strategic you become. Listen, I know this can feel overwhelming, especially if you didn't grow up with tech like me, especially if you're used to doing everything yourself as well. But AI isn't a threat, it's a tool. And like any tool, you get better with practice. You don't need to understand the back end. You just need to know how to use it in your day-to-day. And once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The future belongs to people who adapt, not the ones with the fanciest tech, but the ones willing to try something new. You've reinvented yourself before. You've learned harder things than this. So don't let fear keep you from moving forward. Let curiosity pull you forward, because this isn't about becoming a robot. It's about becoming unstoppable. And you're right on time. If this video helped you see AI in a new light, drop a comment below and let me know what tools you're curious to try. And if you're over 40 and building a YouTube channel, this channel is here to help you keep up, stand out, and build something that lasts. Hit that subscribe button. And check out the links in the description. In my Pillar store, I've got a bunch of the resources that I use on a regular basis, some of them free, some of them paid, but I know they've helped me and they can help you too. I use AI every day now to grow faster and work smarter. AI isn't a trend, it's the new normal. And the sooner you start using it, the easier everything else becomes. So keep learning, keep testing, and most of all, keep building. Because your voice matters and your work matters. And this tech, it's just here to help you go farther, faster. And these next videos are here to help you go farther, faster as well. Check them out. I'll see you there.